So starting this Wednesday, just looking at the back of the fleet with Szabolcs Vioris, our Hungarian skipper, is still in the lower portion of the St. Helena High, so still going quite slowly, but he's coming down into stronger breezes over the next 24 hours. The other thing to note here is Jinkun Chu, our Chinese skipper, is just on the top of this low pressure system, so he's getting into stronger breezes as well, but he's generally going quite well. The situation we're talking about for the front of the fleet is this development of this anticyclonic ridge coming up here. It's going to develop just potentially splitting up the fleet a little bit. So for the likes of Charal, for Jeremy Bayou, he really, and that little group there, they really have to keep the pressure on, keep going fast at the moment to watch. Otherwise, looking a little bit through the fleet, then we have a Pip here and this little group here, Benjamin Dutroux and Roman Atanasio. They're in this pretty decent northerly breezes just now, and that's quite good for them. The little group of four here, Boris Herman, Sam Davis, Clarice Kramer, and Juju, Justine Metro. So they have this high pressure system developing for them just now. They're kind of a little bit caught in it, or they're certainly under threat for it. But that's a quick look at the general situation. Let's look now at the animation. So we're watching a little bit Charlie Dallan here. Now he's heading for the point, the most extreme easterly point of the exclusion zone, whereas the other two boats behind are in good breeze and doing a little bit more jibing for them. But watching how this high pressure ridge evolves behind here, we're just watching that, and that comes all the way up into the Great Australian Bight. So let's watch it. This is the kind of back to Charal and Maître-Coq. So that's where we potentially see a little bit of a cut-off evolving, and just watching how it, and then to say the group behind, that's Boris and the three girls, they're being caught by the high pressure, and there may be just a little bit of the gaps opening up, but still generally all good for Charlie, passing under Tasmania and into the Pacific Ocean. And really reasonably good conditions for him. But in general, a fairly stable situation just now at the front of the fleet, with Charlie's lead generally staying fairly steady. So let's now look at the situation for the boats towards the back of the fleet. All the time we're talking about this group up here, which probably have the best conditions for going east. Antoine Corniche, Guirec Soudé and co have had it a little bit tougher, and all the time this low pressure starting to catch them, so they've got quite a tough 24-36 hours for them. That's the situation generally through the fleet this Wednesday.